Okay, for those of us who would not like to use WhatsApp status saver application because it may be annoying sometimes with too many ads. Saving WhatsApp status is something you can do with your file manager or file explorer, as the case may be with your phone. You don't even need to download anything, any application actually, because the whole process is just about copying files from one folder to another. And the reason is because WhatsApp status files they get deleted after 24 hours. Uh, so you lose them after 24 hours, and then so the idea is to copy them before they get deleted to a folder you'll be creating for yourself on your phone, and then you don't get to see those pictures of or videos in your photo library because uh, they are designed that way, not to show up in your library. But after this process, you will see them in your library, and then they'll be on your phone until you delete them. So again, the idea is to create a folder and copy those files before they get deleted into the new folder, and then they get retained on your phone. So you can use any file manager on your phone. All you need to do is just to create a folder like so. It might not be the same interface with your phone, but it's the same idea. You just try to create a folder. I'm creating a new folder here. For the sake of this video, I'll call it WhatsApp status. You can name it whatever you want for yourself. Now I've created a folder. It is this folder I will be saving the pictures or videos into. Now as you can see now it is empty. Now to see or to view this WhatsApp status pictures and videos, you need to go into your WhatsApp folder, either WhatsApp or WhatsApp business, as the case may be. I'm going to WhatsApp business, and the last folder there, the media. If you click inside it, you see the dot statuses folder. If you click inside of that, you see the list of all the available status pictures and videos that you have viewed for that day. These ones are still there because well they've not lived up to 24 hours, and that means you can still copy them into that folder you created before they get deleted. Now those ones ending with .mp4 are the videos, .jpg are the pictures. So if you're not too sure whichever they are, you can click to view as the case may be, and then you copy appropriately the ones that you want. So you have options to select. Here I just select a couple of them from this place to save. So it's just a normal way of copying and pasting things with your file manager. It's not a big deal. Just select a couple of them here. You can select one if you want. You can as many as possible. So I've selected a couple of them and I'll just copy. Now it will ask me where I want to paste. I'll just go straight into that folder that we just created and paste it in there. Voila, that is all you need to do. Now if you go back, let's go back outside to our picture gallery or video gallery. You see that the folder would have been added to our, as you can see, WhatsApp status, and if you click on it you can begin to see the pictures and videos that we just added from there. And so it means after 24 hours when that folder gets deleted, or the pictures rather, then you still have that you now have them on your phone until you delete them manually. Now sometimes or in some cases you don't want what just happened here, like this folder has just been added to your library. And sometimes you don't want people to just come into your phone and click on pictures and then they get to see all the pictures on your phone or videos on your phone. You don't want this to happen. It may not be this WhatsApp status folder, it may be another folder entirely, maybe for confidentiality. You may have some private pictures or videos on your phone. You don't want people to just see whenever they click on your photos or videos. uh, taking for instance this WhatsApp status folder we just created is showing up on our media library. To hide that away, all you need to do is just to rename that folder. Let's do that right now. We will rename that WhatsApp status folder that we just created. You will add a dot before the name. So let's rename it. You had a full stop, if you want to call it that way, but it's just a dot before the name on any folder that you wish to hide the content away from your media library. If you click on OK, you see a warning that tells you that files with the names that start with dot are automatically hidden by the system. Do you want to use the name? We say that OK. Now you see that the folder is not here again. It has been shifted up. And if you go back to your media library, photos for instance, the library, you will see that the WhatsApp status folder is not there anymore. So that is how to hide. In fact, that is how WhatsApp hid their statuses from us. That's why you can't see it in your media library in the first place. As you can see, there are so many other folders that start with the dot. So if you start a folder name with a dot, it will be hidden from your media library. So only you can, view the content of that thing. Our WhatsApp status is here. If you want to see it, you can. For the sake of this, I will remove the dot because I want to be seeing those items in my media library. So just remove the dot, and you're good to go. So I remove the dot. It's back here. I'll go to my library again, and voila, you get to see it back. So that is how to copy WhatsApp statuses, and in case you want to hide it or any other folder from your library, you can do that as well. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in another video. Bye bye.